What's up, you guys? How are y'all doing? Hope y'all doing great today. I am up early trying to get, my voiceover going. Excuse my dogs snoring in the back, honey. They just do the most. But this is gonna be, it's not technically, it is an unboxing, but not really because I already took them out the box. I already took this polish out the box. But this is from Rosalind Beauty Gel Nail Kit. Yeah, we're gonna do another review, and I'm just gonna swatch these colors. These beautiful, they're changing color, well, temperature changing color nail polish, and they're very beautiful. At first, when I did the swatches, I didn't think they changed with the temperature. Like, I thought they changed in the UV lamp, but under cold and hot water, you can see the difference. But I'm gonna let you watch these swatches. Also, I forgot to mention that these are reflective as well. So when I put on the light on all of them, you'll see that it's also a reflective gel polish as well. So beautiful. If you're looking to purchase this set, I will have the link down below. Like I said, who doesn't love a good discount, period? So if you're looking to get this set, just go down in my description box and I will have the link or the code to that. Okay, so let's get into this set. So first of all, I'm using McCart's base coat. I am going in with polygel. I didn't have any more monomer, so I did have this polygel laying around. So let me tell you, I'm not gonna fully go in depth with the polygel because I don't feel comfortable with my application. This is only my second time doing polygel. So, and I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't like polygel, and I didn't like this Model 1's polygel. Was super sticky. I did go in with 71% or the 70, I think 70% alcohol, like isopropyl. You know what I'm talking about. Isopropyl, 70% alcohol with the slip to give me a little bit of slip. And this is not a polygel brush, so I don't know. All of that can be into consideration with doing this polygel because polygel is not the thing. Polygel is not for me. Okay, I'm impatient. I like acrylic. It's fast. Polygel just takes too long in and out of the UV light. I don't really care for it. So but I am doing this set with polygel. So I did decide to show y'all my thumb application so you can kind of just see how I did this polygel. I did it really, did it relatively thin. Look, I can't even talk. So I did it relatively thin. I didn't do, it wasn't too thick, but I don't know. The set still came out cute, but will I be doing polygel again? I'm not really sure because maybe I just didn't like this particular polygel. I'm just be honest. It's super sticky, especially the clear was just beyond sticky. So I just decided to use this one color. Like I said, I did purchase this like way back when I first started my nail journey, which was like a few months, like what, maybe 6 months ago, was it? I think it was like possibly around 6 months ago when I started my nail journey. So, like I said, I'm not too comfortable with polygel. So I'll just let y'all watch this application. And if y'all use polygel, comment down below. Let me know what's your best tips on using polygel. I mean, I watched Nails by Vic because she's one of the ones that inspired me to try polygel. But for me, it's not, polygel's not for me. Or it could just be the brand. I don't know. So comment down below. Let me know what other polygels y'all use. And if you would use polygel, do you like it? Like, let me know. So I'm going in with a base coat so that way my glitter polish can just go on smoothly. Like I said, I am using this Macart base coat, and just so my application could go on pretty smooth. And I am gonna do 2 coats of the polish. But the start of the show here, we came here for the Rosalind gel polish, okay? That's what we came here for. So we're not gonna talk about any of the polygel and the other brands. We're talking about Rosalind gel, okay? This color is like super pretty. It's like a purplish color, like a pinkish purplish color, as you can see. It's reflective and temperature changing, okay? And it's so pretty. I love this color. It went on so smooth. I did apply 2 coats, like I said before. I did do 2 coats, or did I do 2 different? I think for the thumb, I wanted to try something different. So I went in with this other color, which is more like a silverish color. And when you put it under water, it changes into like a light pink, like a rose goldish color. I mean, you'll see that once I'm at the end of once you finish the video, towards the end, you'll see the color changing. You know, that's the surprise. You know, that's the fun part, you know. But this set was actually fun and simple. It's beginner friendly nail art. I feel like anyone could have did this set right here. Kind of went in with some abstract lines later on, and I did use my Rosalind white gel polish from another set to create these lines. I did go over the white at least 2 times because the first coat wasn't enough pigment. So I did go in with 2 coats to get the desired look. I did have to redo the thumb over because I did mess up because I was trying to figure out what type of lines I wanted to do. So yeah, I did fix it. As you can see, I did fix the thumb. It looks a lot better than what it was looking like. Sometimes you know how you have a design in mind and you just have to like play with it and see what works. That was one of those, you know. Yeah, so thank you guys for sticking with me and watching my video. And this video is not as long as my other videos, but I love doing this set. It was so simple. And if you decide to do this set, let me know. Comment down below if you recreate this set. Something simple, elegant, but a little bit of, you know, spice to it, you know, with the abstract lines. I don't know when my next upload will be because I do not have any monomer. You know, I have a lot of stuff I have to re-up on. I need top coats, like all that good stuff. So I don't know when my next video will be, but I love you guys and I will talk to you soon. Bye.